is add text. Okay, it's text. You can see it there. It will tell you to add text. Now if you want to add text to your video, just click on add text. Like on this video, I will say TikTok 101, which is the title of this video. Okay, then I can say TikTok tutorial. Okay, this is how to add text to your video. You will see videos and you will see overlaying text. Okay, that is it. Then you will just click done. Now I can change the color of this. Just tap here. You can change it to red, orange, yellow, green, like that. Okay, now let me leave it on yellow. Okay, now you can equally change the font. This is the font. Okay, you can select any font of your choice, bold, anyone. You can say it. You can change the font right there. Okay, that is it. You can make it to align left, align right, or align center. Align center is usually better. You can also add effect to it right there. Okay, you can say it. You can add. Can you see? These are the things you can do here on TikTok. Some of you don't know about all these things. They are all available here on TikTok. Have you seen it there? So these are the trending ones. You can see it. These are some of the things you can do there under that test. Okay, now this our test. Now we can equally time this our text. You can move it up and down. Just hold it and move up, left, right. Okay, just keep it at the middle. Usually good to make it align the middle. Okay, now so here now you can leave it where it is or adjust it to start from the beginning of the video. You can see I'm adjusting it now to start from beginning to the end of the video. I've dragged it to the end of the video. Let me drag it to the beginning of the video. Now look at it. You will see now that it will stay till the end of the video. Okay, if you don't want it to start and end the video, you can adjust it to be exactly where you want. Remember, you can add different tests. Okay, now for instance, I've added this one. Now I want you to see all these things. You can see I've added this. I can also add another one. When this video play up to this point, you will see it to disappear. Have you seen it? Now I can also add another one. TikTok 101 video editing. Okay, I can leave it on white. I can as well change the color, also add the same background to it. Okay, now look at it. Then I want to move it up. Yeah, move it up again. You can see I've added another one. Now when I play the video, you will see it will be changing. This one is out, this one comes in. So you can add as many tests as possible using this tests. Okay, now and another thing I want you to see there is, as it is now, you can see you can copy the text. You can turn this text to speech. Okay, you can edit it or delete it. Now let's try the text to speech.
Video editing.
Have you seen it? So you can use text to make a video. You'll just be writing. Each one you write, you convert it to this thing. Look at it now.
Video editing.
You see that? Now you can also copy. Like I said, you copy it, it becomes 2. Okay, it becomes 2. So I delete it because I don't want to copy it. Now you see that You can also edit. As if you made mistake, you can see, click edit and go back and edit it. You understand? So all these things are possible. Okay, this, I did not touch this icon before. This one is if you want to add animation to your text, if you want to animate it. Okay, now let's pick any of the animation. I just want to be sure that I've touched everything here, because this video is for newbies. You can see now. So you see some video doing this, you see some video and the text is moving like this. This is how it happen. Like even in your home movies or movies you're watching, you see this thing happening. They are not magic. You can do them right here on TikTok. You can see it. I've animated that text. Okay, you can use different animation. You can see it there. Try them out, and they are good for you to use. So what else are we touching now? We are done with tests. You just click on done. You are
Video
good to go.
editing.
So you can see,
Video editing.
it's animating. Yeah, the animation is there. Now we are done here. I'm sure everything here is clear to you. Nothing here should not be clear to you about adding tests.